Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Ririko Kinoshita. Code JUQ513. Released on January 9, 2024. And it has 170 minutes watch time. The story is about female employee and her coworker. The guy was married. Apparently, the guy was not good at his work, so the guy was on the edge of quitting the company. However, there is a beautiful coworker that support him and guide him at his work. So, later that night, while they are alone at the office, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.